Imagine commanding the dance floor with crystal clear crossfades and lightning fast transitions, all at your fingertips. The right DJ mixer can make the difference between a good set and a legendary performance. Today, we're revealing 5 top mixers, from budget-friendly essentials to pro-level workhorses, that will elevate your sound. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Numark M2, the best budget DJ mixer. DJs on a budget rejoice. Numark M2 stands out as the best budget DJ mixer for those starting their musical journey. This compact device offers everything you need to learn mixing and scratching. You'll appreciate the dual channels, allowing easy switching between line and phono inputs. Connecting CDJs or turntables becomes a breeze. Each channel features a fader and a separate gain knob, giving you control over sound levels. The 3-band EQ lets you customize your audio, ensuring a tailored mix for every occasion. Microphone channel functionality adds versatility, perfect for vocal performances or announcements. Headphone outputs with crossfader-controlled cueing help you prep your next track seamlessly. This setup encourages experimentation and develops essential skills. Despite its rugged build, potential buyers should note the limited expandability. While it accommodates beginners, it lacks effects and digital compatibility to evolve with your skills. EQs and gain controls may not offer the precision of higher-end mixers, but they still get the job done for novice users. What shines brightest about the M2 is its user-friendly design. Intuitive controls make it easy to grasp the basics without confusion. You can focus on honing your craft without overwhelming features getting in the way. If you seek an entry-level mixer that covers all essentials, the Numark M2 deserves your attention. Stay tuned for a mixer that adds Bluetooth magic to your mobile sets. At number 4, we have Reloop RMX 10BT, the best Bluetooth DJ mixer. If you're searching for the ultimate Bluetooth DJ mixer, Reloop RMX 10BT stands out. After extensive testing, it's clear this model excels in several areas, making it a top choice for beginners and home users. Being lightweight and compact, it invites spontaneity. You can easily transport it to house parties or casual get-togethers, allowing you to keep the music flowing wherever you go. Its 2 mixer channels with 3-band EQ let you shape sounds to fit your style. Fine-tuning tracks becomes easy, enhancing your overall performance. One standout feature is Bluetooth connectivity. It enables seamless streaming from your phone or tablet, bridging the gap between DJing and home listening. This flexibility impresses, especially when you want to play a wide range of genres effortlessly. Multiple line and phono inputs on the back accommodate both CDJs and turntables. This flexibility invites creativity, giving you the freedom to experiment with different gear setups. A dedicated mic channel with EQ also adds value, allowing for vocals or announcements, perfect for lively parties. While the controls might feel minimalistic for more advanced users, they maintain clarity and ease of use, ideal for those just starting on their DJing journey. What I love most about the RMX 10BT is its ability to merge convenience with quality without overwhelming new users. Don't miss the ultimate scratch deck that gives you pinpoint fader control. Still searching for the perfect DJ mixer? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Numark Scratch, the best DJ mixer for aspiring and seasoned turntablists. Elevate your DJ skills with Numark Scratch. This mixer is a dream for both aspiring and seasoned turntablists. After extensive testing, it becomes clear why this model stands out in the competitive landscape. First, its solid build inspires confidence. You can feel the weight and quality with every transition, reassuring you that this mixer is designed for longevity. Additionally, the Innofader provides a crisp sensation when you scratch, allowing for precision and creativity. Integration with Serato DJ Pro works effortlessly. FX buttons and loop controls facilitate spontaneous creativity during gigs. This simplicity lets you focus on performance rather than struggling with controls. While the 2-channel setup can limit extensive mixing setups, it encourages you to refine your sound. Emphasis on mastering a limited palette enhances your skills. Plus, remember to budget for Serato's control vinyl or CDs, as they aren't bundled with the mixer. One standout feature is the intuitive layout. Everything feels accessible and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced DJs. This design minimizes confusion during fast-paced performances. Although it lacks some higher-end features found in pricier models, don't let that deter you. Numark Scratch deserves recognition for striking an impressive balance between functionality and performance. This mixer isn't just an option, it's a powerful tool for enhancing your DJ artistry. Keep watching for the live performance beast that dominates any stage with pro-grade pads. At number 2, we have Reloop Elite, the best live performance DJ mixer. Get ready to elevate your DJ sets with the Reloop Elite mixer. This robust mixer impresses with its solid build, making it perfect for life on the road. You'll feel right at home with its intuitive layout, which seamlessly integrates into your performance style. What stands out most are the large RGB performance pads. They respond beautifully, allowing you to express every idea effortlessly. One-handed control of the browse section frees your other hand for mixing, making transitions smoother. Managing 2 laptops simultaneously becomes hassle-free thanks to dual USB ports, ensuring seamless handovers during a B2B set. Adjusting settings on the fly is a breeze, thanks to the OLED displays that keep essential information in sight. Sound quality remains impeccable throughout your performance, whether you're jamming subtle tracks or rocking the crowd at full volume. While some may find the weight a bit cumbersome for mobile gigs, it contributes to the mixer's durability. This minor inconvenience is far outweighed by the Elite's many features. You will love how this mixer enhances your creativity and precision. With great adaptability, it fits effortlessly into any professional DJ's kit. You'll discover that the Reloop Elite mixer stands out from similar models for its combination of performance and user-friendly design. And coming up next, meet the 2-channel Titan that sets the standard for all mixers. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Pioneer DJ DJM 250 MK2, the best DJ mixer overall. Unleash your inner DJ with the Pioneer DJ DJM 250 MK2. This 2-channel mixer stands out for its incredible functionality and user-friendly design. As an aspiring DJ, you'll appreciate its built-in audio interface. Connecting to various devices, CDJs, turntables, or your laptop is seamless and intuitive. Versatile compatibility with digital vinyl systems, DVS, raises the stakes for creativity. Now, you can efficiently control digital tracks using timecode vinyl. This feature truly sets the DJM 250 MK2 apart from other entry-level mixers. You'll find its easy recording options essential for sharing your mixes online. 3-band EQs on both channels ensure excellent sound customization. Achieving smooth, professional-sounding mixes becomes a delight with this control. A dedicated mic channel adds further versatility, allowing real-time engagement with your audience. While it lacks built-in effects, this simplification doesn't hinder performance. Instead, it encourages players to focus on music rather than distractions. What truly shines is the overall construction of the mixer. It feels durable and well-designed in your hands. Though some features might seem minimalist, this enhances the learning experience. More advanced mixers often overwhelm newcomers. With the DJM 250 MK2, you get an accessible option that does not compromise quality. If you're eager to take your DJ skills to the next level, explore the Pioneer DJ DJM 250 MK2 further and discover how it can elevate your mixing game. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best DJ mixers. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which DJ mixer you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.